So starting with Kishik Panwar, ICG AC 202 second, 2 attempts, 1 screen out and 1 conference out. For which you got conference out?
Yes, sir. Sir, Navy SSC.
For GSX of this current one or the previous one?
Sir, previous one.
And what about this time?
Sir, I have applied. Shortlisting is pending.
Okay, no, like just before of this, the joining which is in June, you got conference out for that.
Yes,
From?
sir.
From?
Sir, 33 SSB Bhopal.
That's a 33. Okay.
Yes,
What
sir.
about the screen out?
Sir, it's back then 2023. 12 SSB Bangalore.
Again SSC? GSX?
No, sir. No, sir. Navy Tech. 10 plus 2 B Tech.
Okay, 10 plus 2. Okay, fine. Issues. So this one was your first picture, right? This one?
Yes, sir.
You have written a story that is this Ramesh 24. See again why you are including age. Like for TAT part, the four and foremost thing is don't include age. ठीक है? And
Yes, sir.
what is their age? What is their age?
Sir, my age is 21.
Age is 20. See, if your age is 21, try not going to the past and at max of 23, 1 or 2 year plus or minus, not more than that. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Ramesh, entrepreneur. What do you do?
Sir, I am a B Tech.
And
Sir, I am a student preparing for the exams.
you are a student. What are your future plans?
Sir, my future plans to join the forces.
And what if not
sir,
forces?
Sir, if not, then I will do the research work.
What work?
Sir, I will do MTech.
You will do MTech, and after MTech?
Sir, I will got placed and
Placed.
then.
First of all,
Yes,
your
sir.
main goal is to get a job, right?
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to be an entrepreneur then? See, again a simple thing. Always remember one thing. TAT is not a story writing. Story writing नहीं है. It is completely related to your profile. Get this thing very clear.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? It is not at all related to your story writing. यहाँ पे आपको story अच्छी नहीं लिखनी है. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? You have to write about your profile. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So basically, and one fine day he was, what is this? Moving. Having a discussion on the startup
Discussion.
with his friend. He and his friend
Building a startup.
Next Gen. Okay, what is it? Next Gen with Core, which is provided one-stop solution to all healthcare
Healthcare related problems.
problem. Okay, then
There he was discussing on the current problem and setting up the plan of action for upcoming month. First, they were building a blueprint followed with a website where he divided the work among his friends, like the backend, front-end server. After that, they were also discussing the funds and other requirements. Finally, they were returning to their home.
okay, see. You can just see this image very carefully. Can you find a little disagreement on their faces? Just look at this face about their hand movement. Do you find a little disagreement in between them? कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है कि might be possible कि उनका थोड़ा disagreement हो उनके face के बीच में. Just look at their faces. This guy, hand movement, hand gestures, and this particular person. इसको भी देखो. He's trying to
Yes, sir.
convince them on something.
Yes, sir.
ये वाला एंगल आपने स्टोरी में डाला
Yes, sir.
फिर. There is a disagreement. है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir. I didn't mention that.
So, and again one thing, it is not at all related to your story writing. Story writing competition से आपसे बिल्कुल. Is there anything in your PIQ related to this healthcare? Healthcare से related कुछ भी है क्या PIQ में?
So like I have done a minor project for that particularly. So I like somehow if he goes on to match with my PIQ, then it might be there.
Okay, it is you're having okay, then it is related to a PIQ form. Okay, फिर तो ये it can be work, but you are an entrepreneur plus you haven't mentioned the disagreement वाला part. Disagreement वाला part आपने mention नहीं किया. Another
Yes,
thing, there is
yes,
the
yes,
story lack of actions.
जी.
Actions नहीं है story में. You have
Yes, sir.
actually you have described the whole picture that what they are doing, but what से ज्यादा है how they are doing. अब यहाँ पे आपने ज्यादा नहीं बस back end front end ये सब डाल दिया. Now if it is related to healthcare, which field of healthcare it is related to? The first and foremost thing, you have missed that point in this story. Then after that, how they planned the whole stuff. After that, about the front end, about the back end, usage of AI to that, consulting to doctors as well as medical experts for that. Later on, afterwards, you are buying a host for that, then domain. Then first of all, what I can tell you is that is certification phase where you're
Sir?
presenting that. Hello,
Sir, your voice is breaking.
am I audible now?
Yes, sir, your voice is breaking.
Am I audible now?
सर बीच में टूट रही है सर आपकी आवाज. Clear?
Abhi,
Sir, now it is better.
better?
Sir, yes, sir, but the screen is not visible. Now it is okay, sir. Both screen and voice are visible, audible and seeable.
Okay, so how much have you heard till now? कितना समय?
सर दी व्हाट आर द सर जो मैंने मेंशन नहीं करा कि हेल्थ केयर में मुझे हेल्थ केयर का और डिस्क्राइब करना चाहिए था और एआई का कैसे यूज कर सकता है वो और क्या प्रॉब्लम थी सर वो
And
इसमें
again after that certification.
Okay.
certification from the government, pricing, total cost that you are occupying in that, how you are managing that fund. बहुत सारी चीजें स्टोरी लैक करती है. Got
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Clear with the
जी.
first story?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Idea is fine, but again it should be related to your PIQ. अब देखो, अब जैसे आपको मेन जॉब है आपका जॉब लेना, तो मोर ओवर यू कैन मेक इट अ पर्सन ऑफ अ जॉब. Like he was working in some sector of hospital where he got the task to make something, some project like that. So for that he called his teammate to his home. First of all, they were discussing when there was a disagreement in between them. Tried convincing, listening to their points, and then making a whole plan, going it to the managing team, management, finalizing it, certification, consulting from the medical expert, building on their front end, back end, as well as the database, taking help from the patients, also making a prototype. समझ रहे हो? How you have to write.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next picture is this.
Yes, sir.
See written on this. Again, Aditya.
Sir, should I read?
Yeah, Aditya. Yeah, read.
Aditya 24 student, one day he was being disappointed due to the fact that he was not able to achieve the goal of despite of doing hard work. Sincere effort his father was consoling him and motivating him to do. Given one last try and shot towards the attempt, he went with the full practice and josh and gave the full effort, and finally he was able to achieve the goal of building his own startup and finally achieve the good response from the people and get good profit, and he was remember it lifelong that the hard work always paid off.
See, this shows your lack of imagination.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because you have written the same story about related to startup.
Yes, sir.
And again, it is not at all related to your stuff, that whatever you are planning to do. Getting my point?
Yes. जी.
So why you are writing this story when it is not at all related to your PIQ? अब यहाँ पे see this picture very carefully. Do you consider him as his father?
Sir, I think somehow his father,
This person,
because
see his age, like see his face. Might be similar. They are similar. Their faces are very similar. See this.
yes, sir.
Yes, he is disappointed, or he might be in an doubt, or might be thinking of something when this his friend. And again, you have written that this is you. Now, what you are showing to the psychologist is that you, whenever you are failing, you are feeling a little disappointment, and a person is required for you to again cope up with you. You require
Yes,
a
sir.
person's motivation. You are showing the psychologist this factor, which is not at all allowed. This story
Okay,
cannot
sir.
be worked. Rethink on this picture.
Yes, sir.
Rethink on this picture. And the next picture for the same is this one.
Yes, sir.
Next is, yeah, you can please read that.
Rohit, 25 old person living in Latpur, Madhya Pradesh. One day he with his villagers went to the nearby ghat to renovate the areas. People finding difficult to use the water from the ghat as there was no proper channel or platform. They went with the proper tool like the plug material and to dig the area around it. Collection of stones, sand and small bricks. They went to renovate the area and also remove the unwanted plants and algae around it so that the people could easily use the water from the ghats easily, especially the children and pregnant women and elderly person. Finally, they were able to do it and all are happy.
See, okay, this story is fine. Like, you are living in some area of like that in your village.
सर सर जो मैंने मेंशन किया है वो मेरा मतलब एक दोस्त का था सर, मतलब
चल,
जो
ठीक है।
वो रहता है वहाँ पे.
ठीक है,
सर वो चल जाएगा.
हाँ चल जाएगा, ये अच्छी स्टोरी है. वेरी वेल
ठीक है.
रिलेटेड टू योर प्रोफाइल. वेरी वेल रिलेटेड टू योर प्रोफाइल अबाउट योर साइक. ऐसी स्टोरी लिखो. अब यहाँ पे व्हाट यू कैन मोर ओवर ऐड इज एक्शंस. जितने ज्यादा
Yes, sir.
एक्शन उतनी अच्छी स्टोरी. प्रैक्टिकलिटी. ठीक है. प्लस द स्टोरी इज
Yes,
वर्केबल, नॉट अ बैड स्टोरी.
Okay, sir.
Just 1 second.
Sir, the action can be increased by reading and like सर नॉलेज लेकर ही होगी ना सर, एक्शन बढ़ा जब भी बढ़ सकते हैं सर.
How with the team effort you are doing the whole work. Even if you are making something real, the point you need a permission from the panchayat. You're taking the help of the panchayat office over there. You are making a good canal for the usage of water, about the purification of water, something related to that also. You can add into the story about putting up the cement and making up a platform at that particular area for the children and women to take out the water and all.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
This
sir.
is your next picture.
Yes, sir.
Can you read
Ram
that?
24 squadron leader in the Indian Air Force.
Wait here. Like, okay, can you tell me the rank of the Air Force starting from flying officer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, flying officer, then we have squadron leader, flight lieutenant, squadron leader, then we have group captain, then air commodore.
After squadron
Then-
leader, you have directly group captain.
No, sir, squadron leader, then we have wing commander, then we have, after that, sir, we have group captain,
Yeah.
followed with commodore,
Okay, wait.
air commodore.
Wait. Now, what is your age? 21.
Yes, sir.
So if you are getting to the training, you will be becoming flying officer by the age of 23. From at the age of 24, you will be flight lieutenant. At squadron leader, you at least require the age of 28.
Yes, sir.
So this what practicality is missing from the story. What should he be? Maximum flight
Uh,
lieutenant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Read after that.
In the Indian Air Force, he was get an input and intel from the higher authority that there is a cross-border infiltration from air across the neighboring country. He at the Air Force station divided the group, and he was leading one of the group, followed by the other by his two IC. They were using the MiG-21 Rafale and other aircraft. They went and had a dogfight
See
with the
again.
enemy.
Wait. MiG-21 already got grounded in the year 2021. इसके बाद ही grounded ही थी, and in 2025 that got retired. Why you are taking this much old aircraft when you have Sukhoi 30, Tejas, MiG-29, then Rafale is
Yes.
there with you. Then moreover you are having Jaguars, then Mirage 2000. You're having this many aircraft. Then why you are taking an aircraft which is 40-year-old and that too which got retired?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Yeah.
Ji. And sir, Rafale and other aircraft, they went and had a dogfight with the enemy aircraft and ratted down the aircraft with no casualty, able to achieve and establish the goal and finally returned to the base camp. He was happy with his team effort.
See, you are moreover describing the picture. You have taken down the aircraft, but what about your plan of action? What was your plan of action? What was the formation you went with? What is about the weapons that you have used in this particular operation? How you have navigated with the team? How you have been navigated with the station? What about the planning? What about the commanding officer, about their command? The story lack many actions
sir.
in this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Do not describe the picture, but rather write a story revolving around the picture. And there are three particular things in that which you have to take care of, which are what
What led to the situation?
What led to the situation? Next is what is
Currently happening?
what is happening and what would be the outcome? That is what is
Future.
the future. Now you have written about describing the picture. This is known as describing. There is no actions in this. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Work
Yes, sir.
on your action part.
Yes, sir.
This is the next picture.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Prem, 24%. One day he went to the factory called Kumar and Sons for a job interview of assistant manager. There he saw that no vacancy board at the front of the factory. He was interacting with the watchman, and there he got a chance to talk to the higher authority. He went and convinced him and got a chance to perform and showcase his skills. He was able to do that, and the authority was satisfied and gave him the role. Finally, he was happy and working joyfully at the company.
See, again the same thing, lack of action and watchman. You are taking a help from watchman to talk to higher official. Is that possible?
No, sir.
So at least you should talk to the worker. And again, if there is no vacancy board, then it is possible that they already have assistant manager. So and again,
Yes, sir.
do you really think to be an assistant manager of a company you have to go to that company's office and there you are knowing about the board of no vacancy? ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? कोई
No,
जॉब
sir.
के लिए अप्लाई करता है तो he apply it online and when he got the call then only he go forward for it.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Rethink about the stories. Rethink about this picture.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See again you are lacking in action. See again if you are meeting him, you first of all show him the CV of your resume, whatever you say. After that, you urge them for a technical round for it. You told them about your experience, and again, a 24-year-old assistant manager, it is possible, no issue. Then about your skills, about that, then you urge him for an interview round, for a technical round if you are going for a tech-based form. Then after that, you are telling him about your personality, then HR round. ये सारी चीजें missing है story से. You are not having a technical story in this. Action lack कर रहा है.
Okay.
बहुत action lack कर रही है अपनी story.
Yes, sir.
This is the next picture. Which is the next picture? This one is the next picture.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read it.
Raj, 27%. One day he was having a time with his family and his father, discussing with him other members that to go to the village for the puja and rituals on the occasion of Diwali. So Raj understand and get the leave on time. Followed with they went with help of car, enjoy the whole journey, stop in the nearby dhaba and at the highway engage the food and also played some old music in the car. Finally reached the village, performed puja rituals, came back. His father was happy and satisfied and will remember it for lifelong memories.
See, you have planned. First of all, you need to plan the whole thing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just give me a moment. Just be on call. Okay? Just give me one.
Yes.
Just give me 1 minute. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so sorry. Yeah, go ahead with this. So see, you have written a story that this story is fine. Not a big deal with this story. The story is workable. Fine. Now,
Yes,
what
sir.
you have again neglected in this picture is, see this particular person. Is he looking a little bit with a disagreement in his face? Is there some disagreement? Then you just see their faces. See their faces. Then this person is reading a newspaper.
Yes, sir.
So you're having a newspaper in his hand, whatever you can like. This is his father. He told him something about some related news for which he got some other point or might be possible related to what I can tell you is that cyber security.
Okay. Yes, sir.
From the news, his father came across the news of like various old age persons are getting scammed, for which their son was a little bit of in an agree or a disagreed mood. Then he planned something for the family to aware them about the particular situation. He told first of all his father to invite his old friends for the same. Then he took care of the whole thing, told them about the different cyber fraud, how they have to report that, how they can identify the cyber fraud, about the OTP scam, about the different type of scam, about the car scam or something related to WhatsApp scam and all. समझ रहे हो?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Relate
Yes, sir.
it. Relate. Relate your story to the whole picture. Yes, relate होना चाहिए जो यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा है. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Try writing something like that. Fine.
Okay, sir.
This is your next story.
Yes, sir.
This is your picture, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So as a 27-year-old person, one day he saw that one distinct person was roaming around the locality area, and he saw that he used to do it on regular basis. After that, he one day saw that he was actually getting some leftover food in the nearby locality market or restaurant to feed the animals, especially the street dogs. So he went and gave him the food and from his home. After that, he also gave him the NGO address, which actually worked towards the helping the animals and orphan one. After that, he was happy and satisfied.
The idea is good. This idea is very good and unique one. This is
Yes, sir.
very good and unique idea. But actions, like you came across that person, then you itself got included in that particular thing. You with your family had a meeting about this, discuss the budget to particularly allot to the NGO. You enroll yourself to that NGO working related to the animals. Now you
Yes,
took
sir.
care of the animal. You went to some veterinary doctors, told them about the initiative, took care of the health of them. Also, raised some budget for the same. You made some campaigns online for the support of the NGO.
Yes, sir.
Actions डालो स्टोरी में. Idea is very good. This idea is very good.
Okay, sir.
Next is your this one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Mohit, 24-year-old student, one day he was planning a cycle hiking with his friends of his college. There all he prepared and selected the route which they will go, followed with also some materials, itineraries like the dry ration, glucose or first aid, also carry the puncture kit with them and pump. They all went to the hiking nearby bridge called the Hilton Bridge, travel around 21 kilometers, return back to the starting point and able to spend quality time and enjoy the whole hiking and will remember for it lifelong.
Good. This story is good with good actions. Very good. No issues in that story.
Okay, sir.
Next picture.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Gaurav, 24-year-old person, one day he was going from one place. He saw that someone asking for help. There he get to know that small boy was asking for help from the window. Two-floor building near the area. The gate of that building was not working. There is no one at the home. He saw a rope and hook. Then he first tie across him and used the hook from the garden and stuck it around the building. After that, went and rescue him, and also his family arrived and he was happy and satisfied.
And why he was asking for help?
Yes, sir.
First thing. Then again, you don't have to always write was happy and satisfied. ये मत
Yes,
लिखो.
sir.
You are saving someone. Why you want to be happy after that? Okay, just leave the story that you rescued him. You have calmed him down. Calm him down. But first of all, one day while you were going out, the way you came across the shout coming out. And again, too big intro. ये 2 लाइन के intro में इसको खत्म करो. One day
Yes,
while
sir.
going, he heard a screaming voice. Saw that a boy was locked in the house. Took the help of a rope, hooked it towards the window, then climbed it using that. Took the boy out, and after that, calmed firstly down, gave him water to drink, took him to the hospital. Meanwhile, informed his parents on phone. Once he arrived, handed over the situation and went off. ठीक है? Idea
Yes,
is
sir.
good, but by refinement is required.
Yes, sir.
This is the next picture.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So with 24-year-old person, one day he was going and saw that people around him were shouting towards a four-wheel vehicle that has just crossed the toll and coming towards at a good speed as they usually do this. And some of them are illegal person who is doing smuggling of the forest product. He first tell the people to make a group and the police and call the police after with the help of the nearby materials like the stones and other able to stop him and then gave him to the police and was able to do that at time. People around them was happy and satisfied.
Again, happy and satisfied वाला angle हटा दो. Again, why this much of negativity of smuggling and all that is very negative story यार. very
Yes,
much
sir.
negative. Why do you want to actually put him always the truck driver in a negative phase? कहीं से लग रहा है कि he is in negative phase. Yes, they are standing in front of them and they are shouting something. Here is a truck driver, you can see that. Why you want
Yes,
to
sir.
consider it as a very negative point? See, you can see this light is blinking. That means it is a time of night. It is a time of
Yes, sir.
something around night phase.
Yes, sir.
And they are just shouting in front of him. Might be possible they require some help, or might be possible he was coming from a side where it was not allowed, but there was some emergency in which this truck driver was. Might be possible there was some health kit in this particular vehicle. So you are the person in this, and you came across. First of all, you talked to the driver, and then told these people about the situation that truck driver is. Then you guided the truck driver to the designated way. Why
Yes.
can't you write something like that? Why you are putting the driver into the negativity?
Yes, sir.
I think, okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the last picture.
Yes, sir.
Start reading.
Vivek, 24-year-old, one day he was going to home via the local market. There he saw that a car and a scooter had a collision. So the scooter one was profoundly bleeding. He first removed the scooter from the upper body part, followed with a nearby cloth of woman like the dupatta to tie the head nicely and call the ambulance in due time. With the car driver went to the hospital and then signed all the formalities, informed the family about the scenario, and the police able to save the and able to save the person and was happy and satisfied settled.
ये हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड एंड सेटल्ड का तो ऑप्शन हटा दो, डालना ही मत ये चीज, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Now see this image carefully. You can see that this person is actually bleeding so much. और अब एक बात
Yes,
बताओ, एम्बुलेंस आने में कितना टाइम लगेगा?
Mm,
Around
sir,
20
it
to
will take
25
time.
minutes.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see this car.
Yes, sir.
It is not that much damaged. This car can be used. This is a particular
Yes, sir.
person. You took this
Yes, sir.
scooter outside, and you, with the help of this car itself, you took him to the hospital. Possible है?
ये सर मैंने मेंशन ये नहीं करा कि ये इसके साथ गया, पर मैंने मेंशन करा कि ये मतलब हॉस्पिटल ले गए, पर फिर उसने ड्यू टाइम के लिए उसको बुला लिया, मतलब अगर उनको कोई
But
आने
भाई
में
उससे
दिक्कत हो
अच्छा है कि आप इसमें बैठाओ, इसमें बैठा के डायरेक्टली ले जाओ. मीनवाइल आप हॉस्पिटल जाके हॉस्पिटल स्टाफ को इन्फॉर्म करो, एक्सीडेंट सीन है तो पुलिस को अपना इन्फॉर्म कर दिया, वेरी गुड. फिर उसके बाद तुमने इसके फैमिली मेंबर को बुलाया फ्रॉम हिज फोन दैट यू गॉट इट, एंड देन यू लेटर ऑन व्हेन द फैमिली मेंबर अराइव्ड यू टोल्ड देम अबाउट द सिचुएशन, हैंडेड इट ओवर टू हिम. एंड मीनवाइल सबसे पहले आपको फर्स्ट एड भी देना है, तो कार में लेके जाओ. यहाँ पे कार में फर्स्ट एड दो, अपने हैंकरचीफ से इसका ब्लड रोको, बहुत सारी चीजें पिक्चर में कर सकते हो आप.
सर मैंने ये मेंशन कर दिया कि मतलब एक लड़की मतलब एक वुमन थी, उसका दुपट्टा यूज करके उसको सर को बांध दिया था, मतलब
ठीक है,
जिससे
वो
कि
भी हाँ
ब्लीडिंग
फाइन
ज्यादा.
वर्क के बाद तो वो सही है, नो इश्यूज. बट फिर उसमें आप ठीक है, तब इसी हिसाब से कह रहा हूँ कि वो अननेसेसरी मत डालो. आप जब उसको कार में लेके जा रहे हो तो एम्बुलेंस डालना फिर क्यों जरूरी नहीं है.
एम्बुलेंस. यस सर, अननेसेसरी डाल दिया सर.
हाँ भाई, नॉट रिकॉर्ड. चलो लास्ट स्टोरी पढ़ो.
Sir Rahul, a 23-year-old student, one day he was glad to know that he is an inventor, informing that and his team to organize the technical fest. So he first planned all the things like the event, members, food, registration, chief guest, accommodation, etc. After that, he divided the team among the four group with 3 person each. They work and able to organize the fest. Also invited the other college professors and dignitaries for viewing purpose. Also included event like the drone competition, RC competition. Able to get response. Finally, he was happy and satisfied with his team effort and organized the whole event smoothly and perfectly.
ये हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड तो हटा देना, प्लस ये जितने
Yes,
एक्शन
sir.
आपने लिखा ना, ये एक्शन आप हर स्टोरी में लिखो, तब वो अच्छी स्टोरी बनेगी.
Yes, sir.
गॉट इट?
Yes,
क्लियर
sir.
क्लियर. विद टीएटी में भी बहुत सारा
Yes,
चीज
sir.
है जहाँ पे आप लैग कर रहे हो. जितना बोला वो सारी चीजों पे काम करो. मेन थिंग इज योर
Yes, sir.
एक्शन. जब जैसे वो पिक्चर हो गई जिसमें आप लोग एनजीओ वाला वर्कर पकड़ लिया कि वो भी बहुत लोग रहते हैं कि उसको थीफ ले लेते हैं बहुत ज्यादा, तो नेगेटिव पार्ट है. बट यू हैव पुट इट इन अ वेरी यूनिक एंड गुड स्टोरी इन दैट. अब वैसा ही आपको ट्रक वाले में भी सोचना था. गेटिंग इट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, should I read?
या
Practice make everybody ready.
गुड
Technical skills give good career.
गुड.
Sir, dear, I left this. I didn't
left the
write.
simple word. Family is dear
Yes,
to
sir.
all. Something like that.
Yes, sir.
चलो next.
Believeness give. Yes, sir. I will try to do this. Sir, believeness give firmness in life.
Good.
Sir, strong mind gives strong idea.
Good.
Newspaper is a type of print media.
I know that is a type of print
Dulex
media, but
0.22 is a.
yeah, I know that is a type of print media, but what OLQ are you reflecting from this?
Yes, sir.
OLQ? No OLQ.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Dulex 0.22 is a favorite weapon for NCC cadet.
Again, what OLQ you are reflecting? And you have done your NCC?
Yes, sir.
Then it is related to your PRQ. चलो ठीक है. Next.
1857 revolt depict different.
Again OLQ.
Yes, sir. Commitment gave sense of responsibility.
Good.
Clear thinking provide depth in answer.
Good.
Social studies gave different. Sir, I didn't complete this. Just wrote that.
Next.
Yes, sir. Manager manage people and juniors.
Mm, but that is his responsibility.
Yes,
The
sir.
responsibility of it. What is the OLQ you are reflecting? Next.
Yes, sir. Weakness overcome by practice.
Good. Next.
Reasoning open different ideas.
Good. Next.
Strong partner support in every situation.
Good. Next.
Lively nature adapt every time.
Good. Next.
Rafael is a fighter jet.
Again OLQ.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Spirituality brings wisdom in life.
Very good. Next.
Mutual understanding prevent issue grow up.
Chalo. Very good. Next.
Army welfare, the veteran and family.
Again, what OLQ you are reflecting? That is it is a plus point for army. It is done by army. What is your OLQ through this?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Aim gives clarity in life.
Very good. Next.
Logical thinking evolve brain.
Good. Next.
Bonding builds on trust and respect.
Good. Next.
Authority comes with great responsibility.
Good. Next. Yeah, देखो
Success.
authority comes with responsibility डाल देना बस.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Success needs sacrifice of pleasure.
Success needs sacrifice of pleasure. चलो very good. Next.
Planning decrease chances of failure.
Planning decrease मतलब यहाँ पे you are having two mindset. It can be possible or it cannot be possible. Rather, it is planning avoids failure.
Okay,
Next.
sir. Discarding negative thoughts lead to success.
Good. Next.
Obedience gave. Sir, I didn't complete this.
Next.
Obstacle overcome with strong mind.
Very good. Next.
Bank statement provide detail of transaction.
OLQ.
Yes,
Next.
sir. Closeness come with understanding.
Good. Next.
Army is an organization built on discipline.
Very good. Next. But okay. Again, what OLQ you are reflecting through this? It is related to your PIQ. How many you have written related to your PIQ? 3 till now. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
At max of those 3 से 4 maximum 5 PIQ related लिख सकते हो. तो workable है. But again, what OLQ? Next.
Yes, sir. Indomitable love given by parents.
Very good. Next.
Essence of love seen in dear one.
Very good. Next.
Leader sometime be heartless. हाँ ये सर एक मिनट. लीडर समथिंग भी हार्टलेस. सर ये मेरे को भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैंने क्या लिखा है.
चलो कोई नहीं. Next.
Faithfulness excel in every situation.
Very good. Next.
Continuous curve depict the hard work.
Very good. Next.
Clandestine is a group of small things. Sir, I didn't know the meaning. So I wrote something.
वो लिख दो कि उसका meaning not known. ये कुछ भी मत लिख देना.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. Next.
Interaction with strangers give different idea.
Very good. Next.
Practice make people confident.
Very good. अब देखो, there is something like you told me that you don't know the meaning of this. So what you can moreover write on 39 is meaning not known. खाली मत छोड़. ये लिख दे. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Next.
Rattlesnake found in Rajasthan.
Again OLQ.
Hard work promote in life and career both.
Very good.
Liveliness and determination compasses.
ठीक है. Workable. Next.
Teamwork built on team effort.
Very good. Next.
Trouble situation overcome with belief.
Next.
Failure teaches greater than success.
Very good. Next.
Chauhan is a clan of Rajput.
OLQ. Next.
Yes. Achievement depict the hard work and determination.
Achievement depend. Okay. Good.
So then, King Cobra has poisonous venom.
OLQ.
Childhood friendship lasts long.
Good.
Friends are the backbone of
Why
life.
you are selective in this? Wait. Why you are selecting friendship last long? ये ज़्यादा बढ़िया है.
Yes, sir.
Friends are the backbone of
Life.
good. Next.
Government elected by the people in democracy.
ठीक है. But OLQ or something related to betterment.
Yes, sir.
Like if the word is democracy brings growth. Something like that.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Difficulty can be overcome by belief.
Can be. See.
Yes, sir.
मना किया ना राहुल ने can be should be ये सब डालने से.
Yes, sir.
फिर difficulty overcome by belief बस.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Time management increase productivity.
Very good. Next.
Google company provide good opportunities.
What OLQ? Next.
Yes, sir. So next is maintain decorum. Sir, I don't know what I written. Rule. Yes, rule are meant to maintain the decorum.
Okay, good. Next.
Push up make whole body strong.
ये लिखा है कहीं PIQ में that you are working out gym and all.
Yes, gymming लिखा है.
चलो good. Next.
Frequency of word make think clear.
चलो good. Next.
Accommodating people depict social adaptability.
Accommodating people.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है चलो workable. Next.
Commanding officer is the father of the unit.
Again, what OLQ you are reflecting through this?
Yes, sir.
See, अब अगर 60 वर्ड है तो एटलीस्ट 45 शुड बी रिलेटेड टू योर OLQ, 5 रिलेटेड टू योर PIQ, then 1 and 2 basic statements like related to current affair topics, remaining 2 or 3 to armed forces for your motivation, और जितने बचे हैं that related to social responsibility.
Yes, sir.
ये बताया ना राहुल ने कैसे लिखना है, कैसे अप्रोच करना है WAT को.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
वो चीज़ फॉलो करो. Got it?
Yes, sir.
No SRT. How many SRT you were able to attempt?
Sir, I was able to attempt 53, 54, but sir, 4 minutes I've taken extra. I didn't.
1 minute extra. So let's
Yes, sir.
take it as 52.
Yes, sir.
52 out of 60, or like we can take it 50 directly, 50 to 60. This is a good amount. Amount is good. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. I think yes, sir. We can see the how the content is good or not, sir. Yes, sir.
See, the first situation was his father was an army officer. Yes, from the war, and he gone to receive a railway station. Heard a loud explosive. Okay, it is related to explosive and all. What you have written?
Sir, he go and walk people around safe place, followed with call the ambulance and return to the station, receive him and went to home.
See again, मैं राहुल ने बोला है ना, keep it as precise as it can. अब तुमने कितने लाइन का लिख दिया? 3 लाइन का लिखा तुमने पूरा.
Yes, sir.
भाई गलती वहीं हो रही है. इतना बड़ा मत लिखो. There should be one action, comma, another action, comma, third action, comma, fourth action, full stop. At max. ये at max है इसका.
Okay, sir.
First of all, informed father helped in evacuation. बस यहाँ पे इतने में तुम खत्म कर सकते हो.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मैं तो देख रहा हूँ सारे तुमने ये बड़े लिखे हैं. कोई है क्या छोटा वाला? चलो 10th देखते हैं. 10th तुमने छोटा लिखा है. He woke up running train and found that his luggage was missing. What you have written? Inform the RPF of this guy and get it.
At the destination given will get it.
Okay, see, it is not actually, वो चोरी नहीं हुआ है. दो चीज देखो, वो चोरी नहीं हुआ है यहाँ पे. It has not been stolen. It have been missing. So first of all, the first thing is you have to look for it.
Yes, sir.
Look for it around. Ask your co-passenger and later find it.
Yes, sir.
I think it थोड़ा समझो questions को, whatever that is asking. और कौन सा देखिए तुम्हारा? Let's take 16th. 16th क्या है? Due to cyclone, his family lost all his possession and had to make a fresh start. He is the eldest son of the family. Do hard work and
Establish the whole from start and scratch.
ठीक है. He with his family, include his family, with his family started working again and got consistent or came back like with a good amount of efforts.
Okay, sir.
So 17th भी देखते हैं. What is the 17th?
Convince them and understand the reason and stable the situation.
ठीक है, good. ये अच्छा है. ये लोग छोटे इतने छोटे लिख रहे हो, यहाँ तक चलता है. ये 3 4 लाइन के मत लिखा करो. जितना छोटा लिखोगे उतना बढ़िया है. And see, SRT लिख रहे हो तो SRT, what is SRT? Reaction test ना.
Yes,
वो
sir.
reaction test है. The psychologist want to see your reaction, how you react to that thing. ये आपका conscious test है. See, जो आपका साइक है वो 4 चीज पे डिपेंड करता है. That is subconscious, unconscious and conscious. ये 3 चीज पे डिपेंड करता है. Subconscious आपका TAT हो गया, unconscious आपका VAT हो गया और conscious आपका SRT हो गया. अब इसका alignment चाहिए. Getting my point? Do not manage the
Yes, sir.
situation at SRT. That is the mistake you are doing. ठीक है?
Yes.
Again, rethink about this particular situation. थोड़ा सोचो फिर बात करते हैं इसके बारे. SRT को ट्राई करना, वापस अटेम्प्ट करने का, जितने मैंने चीज बोले. What your
सर
parents-
आपकी आवाज़ कट गई थी सर. आपने सबकॉन्शियस, अनकॉन्शियस और कॉन्शियस के बारे में बताया था सर, और मैं क्या कर रहा था सर? और
गलती आप ये कर रहे हो कि आप मैनेज कर रहे हो सिचुएशन को. आपको मैनेज नहीं करना है, आपको उस पर रिएक्ट करना है. सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट, क्योंकि जो आपका मैनेजिंग स्किल है वो आपका TAT में दिख गया.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, तो मैनेज मत करो, रिएक्ट करो.
Okay, sir.
Reattempt the SRT with this line. My parents think about me as a obedient, hardworking and family oriented person. Bond with my sister, share also I love. Okay. ठीक है, workable. See. थोड़ा अच्छा अच्छा लिखा है आपने, good.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. What your teachers think about you? My teachers think that
Who believe in hard work and also team-oriented person, always encourage and motivate friends in their life, also help them to reach their goals and also whom they trust
good.
a lot.
Got it, got it. Next.
Sir, my friends think of me as a friend, which they can share all their things and also believe that if a problem occur and I'm ready to solve it, and also they find me as a person who is hardworking, obedient, and determined, and great self-belief, and also they find me annoyed when I motivate them a lot and make them impossible thing possible, which they are underestimating them.
Good. Workable. What type of person you are?
I am a person who believe in hard work and also believe that hard work always pays off. I am an obedient, smart, and fittest person, and also love to evolve with the technology, upgrade myself with new technologies, and also I'm a person who work hard for his dream and aim. Also make the best of the time available and make smaller goal, achieve it, and take care of people around me.
Good. This one.
So this one, I wanted to be a person who gave the luxurious to in terms of living to my parents and gave them they want in life with true hard work and honesty, effort, and also want to have a personality where people can share their goods and bads and believe that he will not judge them, and also want to have a life where millions of life impact by quick decisions, and also wanted to have a responsibility to lead men and women in difficult and simple situations, and also wanted to contribute in nation whatsoever possible in one's end.
ठीक, workable. See, what type of person you wanted to be is, you told me you wanted to be in armed forces. अब ये वाला type missing है इस particular चीज में. What type of person you want to be is, you want to be a consistent person moving towards a dream. You want to get settled in your life. You want to join the armed forces, wearing that uniform and serving the nation. You want to develop some good amount of skills in front of you. एक तो छोटी छोटी weakness भी दिखाओ. Want to manage the time efficiently. Get across the knowledge about the globe. ये सारी चीजें आप ऐड कर सकते हो इसमें.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.